See heat energy. Let us boil some water in a container covered with a light lid and observe what happens to the lid. आमे किछि वाटर को बॉयल करिबा सेले किछि लाइट लिड गोटे कवर दबा जोटा कि लाइट माने हल्का थिबो हला द लिड इज सीन टू मूव अप एंड डाउन जतबेले वेपराइजेशन हबो सेतबेले लिड टा ऊपर को उठिबो एवं पड़िबो द स्टीम फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू द हीट मेक्स द लिड टू मूव अप एंड डाउन जो स्टीम रे जो एनर्जी फॉर्मेशन हैला सेटा लिड को ऊपर तळे करि पारला. So it shows that heat is a form of energy which can be used to move objects. Okay, so heat is one of the most common forms of energy. The sun's heat warms our earth and this enables it to support a vast variety of life. sun ठार आस्तुवा जो energy support करुची variety of life to sustain in the earth. The heat given out by burning of fuels is used to power the engines that run our cars, aircrafts and rockets. We using fuel in the vehicles that burns and provide energy to run the engine. Nowadays we have vehicles like cycles, cars, buses, trains and aircrafts that can move from one place to another using the heat energy received from the sun. Chemical energy. When we strike a matchstick, against a specific portion of a matchbox, what happens? A spark is produced which gives out heat and light. जेतेबेले आमे गोटे मैचस्टिक को रबिंग करती गोटे पोर्शन रे मैच बॉक्स रे सेतेबेले हीट आउ लाइट बारे. In other words, the material used on the matchstick produces energy when it strikes against the matchbox. This energy is called chemical energy. Wood, coal, diesel have chemical energy stored in them. Chemical energy stored in a battery is often used to light up a torch. Chemical energy also stored in a battery which is used to light up a torch. Now we read about light energy. Sun is the main source of light energy. It is sunlight that help us to see things during day. दिन बेला sunlight हमको help करे सब जिनसे देखिया पाए. Light energy of the sun is used by green plants to make their food. If there is no sun, then green plants cannot prepare their own food. Sun नथिले green plant माने से माने food prepare करि पारंते नाही. Tube lights, electric bulbs, lasers and LEDs are some of the man-made source of light. तो गोटेला source of light जोटा होची man-made आ गोटे होची natural. Sun is the natural source of light, but LED, laser, electric bulb, tube lights, these are man-made. Sun main source of light energy, bulb a man-made source of light. Solar cells change light energy into electricity. They are often used in electronic devices such as the calculators. They are main used in space where they are used to power the satellites. Solar cells sunlight को यूज करी भी आमे लाइट एनर्जी को कन्वर्सन करी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कन्वर्सन करा जाई पारुछ. They are often used in electronic devices. Electronic device रे यूज होची calculator. The main use in space, mainly it is space रे यूज होची where they are used to power the satellites. Satellite को energy एमाने प्रोवाइड करछे sunlight. Then sound energy. Sound is also a form of energy. It is produced when an object vibrates. For example, when we strike a drum with drumsticks, it vibrates and produces sound. जेतबेले आमे गोटे ड्रमस्टिक को ड्रमस्टिक रे बाडैले ड्रम टा वाइब्रेट हुए और साउंड प्रोड्यूस करे. A sound produces a pleasing effect only when it is not too loud and is musical in nature. If the sound is in musical nature, then it gives pleasure to us. इटा हमको खुशी दिए. गोटे म्यूजिकल साउंड जदि बेसी लाउड होई न थाए A loud and noisy sound produces a jarring and disturbing effect on us. जदि गोटे लाउड साउंड हम कि नॉइजी साउंड हम ताले एटा हमको हैप्पीनेस दब नाही, एटा गोटे डिस्टर्बिंग इफेक्ट क्रिएट करिवो आमठारे. You see, there is something on the paper. If we beat the paper, then the paper vibrates and the object moves here and there. So, vibration can also produce sound.